Hello everyone, welcome to Quiz Time. We get into the video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun quizzes. Thank you, and let's get started. Would you rather use Windows or Mac OS for the rest of your life? Would you rather develop mobile apps for Android or iOS? Would you rather use Chrome or Firefox as your default browser? Would you rather work on open source software or proprietary software? Would you rather be a software developer or a cybersecurity expert? Would you rather use Photoshop or Illustrator for graphic design? Would you rather code in Python or JavaScript? Would you rather be a beta tester for new apps or software updates? Would you rather use Microsoft Office or Google Workspace for productivity? Would you rather have a career in AI or blockchain technology? Would you rather use Slack or Microsoft Teams for team communication? Would you rather have unlimited cloud storage or the fastest internet connection? Would you rather work in software development or data science? Would you rather be a user experience, UX, designer, or a user interface, UI, designer? Would you rather have a job in web development or mobile app development? Would you rather use Zoom or Skype for online meetings? Would you rather be an expert in video editing software or 3D modeling software? Would you rather have a smart home or a self-driving car? Would you rather master virtual reality, VR, or augmented reality, AR, development? Would you rather use Spotify or Apple Music for your music collection? Would you rather be a software architect or a software engineer? Would you rather have a career in gaming development or fintech? Would you rather have a powerful gaming PC or the latest smartphone? Would you rather use a PC or a Mac for creative work? Would you rather work on machine learning or natural language processing, NLP?